Hello everyone, welcome to Perseverance IAS. Hope you are all doing well. This is funny. Let us start for today's Hindu paper, that is August 31, 2021. The first article is Avani Sumit lead India's gold hunt at Tokyo Paralympics. This might not look important on UPSC perspective, but for state services, this article is a little bit of a significance. I would suggest you to try to remember the names and also the events through which they have won their respective gold medals. Now moving on to the next article, rockets target Kabul airport. This is again an informative article, not important for exam perspective. Do read it from that point of view alone. Now Rajnath flags terror concerns. Again, this is in recent developments in Afghanistan and subsequent following developments in Jammu and Kashmir. Post the fall of Kabul and prior to fall of Kabul because of drone attacks and so on and so forth. So just read what Rajnath Singh, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is saying here. Again, informative article, exam point of view, not that significant. Now moving on to the next page, that is North and East, page number 4. 2 die, 3.6 lakh people hit as Assam flood situation worsen. Two things. What are the reasons as to why Assam floods every year? This is not the first time that has happened. Every year it is a vicious cycle that people of Assam have to go through. Please do read as to what are the reasons behind this. Why Karzinga National Park always floods? Are there any mitigation ways or are there any ways that it can be mitigated? From that perspective, please do read this article. Now moving on to page number 6, that is editorial, the virtue of consistency, because India was able to administer record number of vaccines in a single day. This article talks about that vaccination process since its inception. Now, this is not as significant as for examination, but just be aware as to how the developments came about. From that perspective, this article will help you suggest how India was able to achieve that many number of dosage administration in a single day. Now moving on to the next article, a monetization move that doesn't tick most boxes. Now this is an article that talks about national monetization asset. The author of this article argues that this is not an asset monetization, it is virtually or essentially sale of assets. Now he makes certain arguments as to how different lease and sale are. Read it just to develop an opposite point of view. This article would be helpful for you. Apart from that, uh, being aware of what national asset monetization is, what would be the advantages of it, what would be the disadvantages of it, would be helpful for mains. From prelims perspective, I don't see much importance, so please do read this article from that perspective. Now moving on to the next article, India is indeed walking the green talk. Now what you have to understand here is what are the goals that India has set for itself through the Paris Agreement or the COP21, and how well it has been able to perform on the given parameters. Also, what are nationally determined contributions? From that perspective, please do read this article. Please don't concentrate much on data, but concentrate on significant data that reflects India's progress in environmentally or climate mitigation practices and its subsequent results. This article gives you a comparison as to how India compared to other countries have fared so far. From that perspective, please do concentrate. Again, anything that is related to climate change is a possible question for both prelims and mains. Now, America's Asia's policy is an article that kind of gives you a review of the current scenario in the Central East Asia, given the US role there. If you need some kind of a refresher or revision of the entire thing, please do read it. It gives you a little bit of a good explanation as to what has been going on in Afghanistan. Now moving on to op-ed, marital rape and indignity to women. Now this article, my suggestion would be to is what are the ethical aspects of it, what are the legal aspects of it, what is marital rape. From that perspective, please do read this article. You don't need to go into the legal arguments of it, because for exams it is not that that depth is not required. Just be aware of what are the sections, not all the sections, just the basic sections as to what makes marital rape legal and what are the provisions in CRPC. From that perspective, please do read this article. Don't get into the details, they are not that significant for your exam. Depth is not required, the concept is. Now, moving on, still hanging fire on transparency. This talks about corruption in politics and the transparency of political parties in our country over the period of time, how they have been performing, how the courts have been trying to make the process more open, more transparent, but what kind of roadblocks are in that process. This article talks about the entire thing. Now, my suggestion would be to go to details as to what were the courts saying and what were the political parties doing, what are the legal provisions for improving transparency in our political system, and what are the roadblocks in it. From that perspective, please do read this article. Now, moving on to the next article, vaccines last mile problem. This is from an United Nations organization's member. So he talks about what last mile issues in vaccination drives, not only in India but other parts of the world, particularly underdeveloped parts of the world, and you'll understand what last mile vaccine problem is. This will certainly help you in understanding how challenging it is to distribute not only vaccines for COVID-19 but also vaccine for other diseases. Moving on to the next article, can't curtail right to move freely or reside anywhere on flimsy ground. Now, read what this article is talking about. What are individual rights? From that perspective, please do read this article. Now, moving on to page number 10, 102 Vande Bharat trains to be operational by 2024. Now, this article is prelims perspective. Learn what Vande Bharat trains are, what sets them apart from other trains in our country, how advanced they are, or just learn what they are so that you will understand why these Vande Bharat trains are little bit significant. Now, moving on to next important article that is particularly related to art and culture, right? You have art and culture question. New initiative in J&K to restore glory of Pashmina shawls. Now, this article talks about what Pashmina shawls are, where they are from, and why they have lost their glory, and why it is important to restore their glory. Now, this is important. Again, art and culture. These kinds of articles are where questions are certainly do come from, meaning they might not pick it directly from here, but these kinds of questions are asked in art and culture sometimes. So please do read this article from that perspective. Now, moving on to page number 11, US exit will stop IS attacks in Afghanistan, Taliban. So this is Taliban saying that if US pulls out, terrorist attacks will stop. So the irony is not lost on anybody. So just read what they are saying about. Now, again, informative article, we read anything about that is taking place in Afghanistan. Now, moving on to the next article, North Korea may have restarted nuclear reactor, IAEA. Now, what is IAEA? What is the nuclear program of North Korea? What are the reactors that they are talking about? From that perspective, please do read this article. Since it is very specific to North Korea and kind of doesn't have any correlation to current developments in India, just read for information's sake. Apart from it, I don't see much importance. Now, moving on to the next article, China cuts time minors can spend on online games. Again, informative article, because China is going through a lot of reforms recently. Now, this would be one of those reforms. Just to keep track of how disruptive these reforms the Chinese government is taking, we'll read this article. Apart from that, I don't see much importance. Now, these are the important articles that you have to read in Hindu newspaper for today. Hope this has been useful to you. Please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the editorial analysis that I'll be doing on a daily basis for important editorials. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.